Ready to ditch the generic and make your Big Cartel store a true reflection of your brand. First, log into your Big Cartel admin panel and click on the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see your current theme. To customize it, we're going to focus on a few key areas, starting with theme settings. Explore the options under theme settings. Most themes allow you to easily change colors for things like your background, buttons, and text, as well as fonts for headers and body copy. Click through these, change the colors, and see in real time your website get altered. Now, for more advanced customizations, click Advanced at the top right, then Edit Code. Don't be intimidated. We'll keep it simple. Look for Style.css. This is where you can add custom CSS to tweak the appearance of your store. For example, to change the font of all your product titles, you would target the appropriate CSS class. To inject some personality, consider using a service like Canva to create a banner that is unique to your brand. You can then upload this and embed it. To feature your newly minted banner, return to Big Cartel's design panel and look for the Pages button. Here, you're free to add photos, text, link to your social media, or paste your brand new banner. And that's it. With a few simple tweaks, you've transformed your Big Cartel store into a unique and engaging online experience. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your store to ensure everything looks great. Good luck and happy customizing!